Hi everyone. So this is a new video about forgiveness. Okay. So last video we discussed about uh, how to stop smoking. In that, according to my knowledge, I has explained you some things, and then I hope you everybody watched that, and it was nice. It's really very fun and very important thing to everyone because those are persons is having that habits means not 100 percentage, but I'm thinking if they are having that interest to stop means definitely it will help them in a noble base. That's enough for me. And today's our video was about forgiveness. So what do you mean by forgiveness? In Hindi it's called maafi. In Telugu క్షమించడం. In Tamil మన్నింపు. In Malayalam క్షమిక్కు. Like that habit. Okay, now forgiveness means it's a part of our habit, and we need to do this all things. Okay, now because we all are humans, and definitely it's a must. Okay, it's very very important to us because if some things means sometimes if we are not forgiving means what will happen. Yeah, definitely the society will think about us that we are very cruel personalities or we are not human. In some t-shirts, some dresses, we can see the, like a quotes, it is a being human. So being human and be a human is having a lot of difference. What is that? Nothing is there, no? The meaning was always same. Then what is it? Yeah, according to our human character, forgiveness is a must. I need not to explain much. You already knows, but I'm telling. Uh, we are humans. That's why we everybody are not so perfect. Everyone has their own weakness, their own plus and minus, means positive and negative sides. Okay, so we are living in a society. In that society we have to show our positive sides, then only we can live together. Otherwise what will happen? Everybody will avoid us. So forgiveness is a must. If you done a mistake, it belongs to by mistake or wantedly, any manner, doesn't matter. If you are regretting about that mistake means you have to say sorry, I'm sorry for that, or you can say please forgive me uh, what I done or what I said, like that you have to say. Because when you are able to tell a sorry, sorry, a sorry to a person, okay, or please forgive me, through that your character will become in a high position in their mind. Those are the person who listen us, right? For example, I done a mistake to you. I spoken bad words to you, or sometimes I got angry, or I shouted at you without any reason or with reason or whatever maybe. But after that, after a day or after some years, doesn't matter. But one day I'm feeling, oh, simply I raised my voice upon you. Uh, I can't sleep properly. Like that, some issues will come, and my mind was totally upset, and I'm not in a peaceful manner. My situation has changed. So because of that particular situation, I said or I behaved like that. So that will entirely disturbing. Too much of disturbance in our mind. Because of that, we won't get a peaceful mentality. So what should I do? Uh, because I'm a human, so I have to do. Because of that, I am started regretting. Regret. Okay, I'm thinking about my mistake, what I have done, and I understand that. That's my mistake. That's my own mistake. And sometimes the mistake belongs to them also. I I am not the person who behave like that, because that is not the right way to behave. Okay, they done a mistake. That's or they said a word, a dialogue or something. It belongs to bad or anything. We hurt her. We hurt too much. It's always hurting. Oh, that fellow has said like that, no? But too much anger is coming. Like that, so much feelings are there. But also, we expressed our anger in a high, uh, means high temperedly. We raised our voice and we make a show there, SHOW show. It's a cheap show. So anger means some of us used to think that anger is a part of maleism. Yeah. Okay now. Some members are thinking like that, mainly in male category. Some boys are thinking like that. I'm a man now. Then anger is like a uh, ornament to me. It's a part of my life. It's a part of my habit. If I'm, if I do not have that particular feeling, means what the people will think about me. Definitely, they will think that he is just a female or a transgender or a gay. It's like that they are thinking. So maleism. We have to show I'm a male. My voice has to be in a bass, and I'm like my attitude should be bold. Let me explain one thing. It doesn't matter. Okay, na? Anger means it's a cheap thing. We all are humans, but not only anger, another so much feelings are there, happy feelings. Why can't you be able to be happy? Yeah, that's a question. So don't think that anger is something special. If I get anger, all members will fear upon me. They got scared because I'm shouting. I'll make some more sounds like that. Okay, na? That doesn't matter. It's a cheapest character, that one, anger. Anger doesn't make or it doesn't create any good friends or good relations to you. So remember that one, right? Okay. So always you keep in mind that anger, everybody hates anger. They won't like. But according to that situation in front of you, they will behave like scary feeling. Bah, or oh my god, or he's high tempered. He's too much. Oh, he's having too much anger. We can't say anything. That time, according to that situation, they will behave like that. But inside, they are thinking bad about you. Yeah, it's a compulsory thing. It's a damn sure about that. Okay, na? So anger is not a good thing or a good will, or it's not a something special habit, right? Forgiveness is the best character. You have to adapt it till now, right now, at the very moment. While you are seeing this video, you have to adapt it now. Understand? Because the mistake has done by any other person or you, it doesn't matter. But when it starts regretting to us, that time itself we have to plan to say a sorry to that person. Because of us or because of them, the problem has started. But we lost it, our control, and we got too much anger. We shouted. Sometimes, unfortunately, we used to say some bad words or we slapped anyone. Yeah, that things will always disturb to our mind and the body. Our nice mood will be lost, and we can't laugh properly, we can't smile properly, we can't enjoy anything, we can't uh, go through, for example, if you want to listen some music, if our mind was upset, means what will happen? We can't able to listen that music properly, right? So this whole things will always disturbing to you, so that when the times you started regretting, you have to say sorry. SORRY. Just say, simply you can say that, I'm sorry. Or you can say, please forgive me what I done or what I said. Through that, definitely you will get a good character or a good position in their mind. They will respect you. They will understand you. They will care you. Whatever the relations may be, it doesn't matter. But if you are saying a sorry to them, or if you are gonna say, please forgive me, definitely at the very moment you will have a position in their mind. Note it down. Okay, right? It's not said by me. It's a clean and clear truth. Understand? So forgiveness is a very, very, very important part in our life. We have to. We have to do. Right? I'm not giving advices again and again and again, because too much of our advices, we all are humans. Sometimes we feel too bored. Always this man is uh, uploading the videos like advices and everything. No, it's too much boring. Yeah, I can understand that. But these all things are a part of our life. Because to maintain a good character in this society, we need all these things. So those who are watching this video, it's my request from my side. Don't think that anger doesn't make any good relations or love or caring or anything. We will lose everything. We will definitely will lose everything. Forgiveness make everyone joins together. Equality, a honesty, love, caring, everything will be there. We will get new relations, good friends, good relations, everything we will get. So anger, forgiveness. Cut the anger and select the forgiveness and live in a good life. So I hope you understand. Okay. So today itself you have to think twice about your character. Just analyze your character. Is it going through a good way or bad way? So don't be angry. Anger is there, anger is a need. We are humans, we are having all the feelings. We have to anger sometimes. We have to irritate it sometimes. Because we are humans. But if you lose the controls, what will happen? High temper, too much temper. In movies, so much superstitious characters are there. They are telling, they used to deliver the superb dialogues in front of everyone. The claps will becomes. That will remains always in a reel, not real. Understand? This is real, not real. That is a movie. This is real life. So I am telling for that. So hope you understand that. So from today itself, you have to forgive for everything. Whatever the things you have done are going to be do. Alright? So we will see at very soon with another video with good message. And if you like it, please watch totally and like and share and subscribe. Thank you. This is Charikesh Mohan signing off. Mr. Tech. Thank you.